Hi, this is Keshav. I am a Python trainer in PySpiders, and one of my students he got placed recently. He will share his experience, overall experience in PySpiders.
Hello, good morning. And my name is Tharun from the Ambedkar Institute of Technology. I recently graduated in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering of a degree, Bachelor of Engineering. And in this institute, I spent a good quality of time, and every trainers are supportive towards my career, and they helped me a lot, and they guided me towards the journey of my the quality spends by spending here and also.
And how mock presentation helps you?
Yeah, each and every like mock and presentation, it's helped me to crack an interview. I also work hard here and gain knowledge and gain experience, and and also each and every trainer guided me a lot towards my career.
Okay, congrats and